Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook pinto beans on the stove. First, let's talk about soaking. Soaking your beans is a crucial step that helps them cook more evenly and significantly reduces the overall cooking time. For an overnight soak, simply place 1 pound of dried pinto beans in a large pot and cover them with at least 8 cups of cold water. Let them sit for 8 to 12 hours or overnight. If you're short on time, you can use the quick soak method instead. Once your beans are properly soaked, it's time for preparation. First, drain and rinse them thoroughly under cold water. This removes any impurities and helps with digestion. Next, transfer the rinsed beans to a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Add 8 cups of fresh water, ensuring the beans are fully submerged. For a foundational flavor, you can add aromatics like 1/2 of an onion and 2 cloves of garlic. Remember, hold off on adding salt until the beans are tender. Now let's get cooking. Bring your pot of beans to a rolling boil over high heat. Once boiling, immediately reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Cover the pot, leaving a small vent for steam to escape. Allow the beans to cook for 1 to 2 hours or until they are wonderfully creamy and tender. Throughout this process, keep an eye on the water level. Add hot water as needed to keep the beans submerged and cooking evenly. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Your pinto beans are almost ready. Once they're tender, it's time to season them. Add salt and pepper to taste, adjusting until the flavor is just right. For an extra layer of richness, you might consider adding a smoked ham hock or a few strips of bacon during the last 30 minutes of cooking. After seasoning, remove the pot from the heat and let the beans rest for about 10 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve your perfectly cooked pinto beans warm and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.